What's up, blockchain? Daily news, long version. Okay, let's jump right into it. Ethereum Layer 2 Starkware confirms StarkNet token. Starkware plans to launch the StarkNet token on-chain in September. Starkware announces token. Another Ethereum Layer 2 project is launching its own governance token. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah. With no airdrops until next year. Something probably worth checking out. Okay. Stock launch, yes. Done that. Okay. Sorry, just bear with me. It's a new format that I'm doing here, so there might be overlap. Okay. DigitVault becomes the first custody partner of PoundToken.io, the first British Isles regulated and 100% backed GBP stablecoin. Custody partner of Pound Token. Okay. That's interesting. So they're the custody partner. Is it okay? So they're not doing a non-custodial for the stablecoin in their own wallet. Interesting, if I understand it correctly. Okay. Ripple, XRP, Avalanche, AVAX, and Chrono, which is the best investment? Well, check the disclaimer at the end of my video descriptions, but so not financial advice, but I would say between Ripple, XRP, and Avalanche, AVAX, one of those two are the best. I would probably go for Ripple. Will Meraki token follow the footsteps of other utility tokens in blockchain crypto? I don't know that token. Can these protocols give you financial freedom? Litecoin, Dogecoin, and Exchange Monster. Don't know that coin. Dogecoin and Litecoin, maybe. Who knows? I just want to test something here quick. Okay. Bitcoin, best Bitcoin casino sites. List of top Bitcoin gambling sites. Oh my goodness, cryptocurrency casinos are an increasingly popular way for many casino fans to play online, sometimes called Bitcoin casinos after the most popular type of crypto of the same name. Yeah, I would stay away, really. It's no different from normal casinos, conventional fiat-based casinos. Ethereum continues to lose luster, drops below. It's just because of the markets, the bear market, overall global markets. Yeah, so you can read this bottom if you want to. Oh shit, what did I do? Just a sec here so that I can sort this out quickly. Okay. So Celsius engaged in unregistered securities offering, alleged Vermont's financial regulator. Yeah, it's a combination of idiocy and corruption. These people don't understand crypto, and also corruption. They don't want crypto to be a contender against the financial banking system. Web3 service provider focuses on improving the user experience. That's service providers focus on improving the user experience. Well, that is a very good idea, because Web3 very much involves user input, user participation, and therefore user experience. Coinbase says DeFi making comeback as Uniswap, Aave, Thorchain, and 2 additional altcoins overperform. Could be. I like his channel very much. He does thorough research. Coinbero. Okay. Social dominance rate of Bitcoin marks an all-time high in 2022. I guess that's good. You can pause and read that if you want to. Okay, inflation surges again in June. Bitcoin slides, stocks open lower. Of course, inflation surges. That's the whole, either the whole plan or just pure incompetence. Stocks open lower and Bitcoin slides due to the inflation. We just need to move away from that retarded and corrupt system. That's the bottom line. The dollar and the euro are the exact same currency. Okay, it's someone's opinion. Could be correct, who knows. What are the different types of Bitcoin nodes? What are the different types of Bitcoin nodes? How the Bitcoin's network is maintained? Okay. Interesting. The underlying infrastructure of the Bitcoin network is secured and maintained by nodes. Okay. Yep. Let's see, they don't have much more. Okay. Celsius engaged. Yeah, that's once again the same. UN article, benefits of world hunger taken down. UN article, benefits of world hunger taken down. This is why Bitcoin exists. And an article by the UN, United Nations, talking about benefits of world hunger. For those of you who question people that say there was the establishment and governments and the UN and the WEF and so on are corrupt, well, if you're not corrupt, you wouldn't post articles like this. This is a UN article, but please double check me on this, okay? To confirm that this is actually correct. Okay, don't take my word for it. But yeah, organization that's supposed to be not corrupt and supposed to be reputable and respectable posts an article like that. Okay, if you don't question an organization when they post articles like this, then you need to go back to the drawing room and examine your own thinking processes. But yeah, and this is why Bitcoin exists. Exactly. Survey reveals high penetration adoption of crypto in Saudi Arabia. That's good. Bitcoin tanks on highest CPI data since 1981 as BTC price dips under 19k. Yeah, that's US inflation comes in a full 0.3% higher than expected. Are those people idiots? Causing a dollar strength spike and the euro to fall below parity with USD. Yep, as I'm saying, most likely a global depression worse than a 1929 global depression is on the way. My opinion, but I'm probably right. CoinStore is now ranked 31st in Saturday Life. Okay, don't know CoinStore. The search term Bitcoin crash is trending. Here's why. The digital gold, aka Bitcoin, has been marked dead at least 458 times since 2009. However, BTC proved to be more than alive each and every time. Okay, exactly. It's just once again, if you're educated on the crypto space, you won't, your mind won't go here to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is dying. Okay, 3 Arrows assets audit frozen by judge. How much deeper 3AC's trouble can get? Probably a lot deeper. FSB labels crypto an unreliable store of value, needing robust regulation. FSB, foreign, what is this? Financial securities, something. I'm not too sure. FSB is, although the cryptocurrency sector is expanding and digital assets like BTC are becoming more accepted, some financial regulators are getting concerned here. They're all corrupt. FSB labels crypto as an unreliable store of value. Crypto is still very young. but this is untrue. This statement is untrue. Needing robust regulation. Yes, what they actually mean is needing robust control, authoritarian control, so that we, the supposedly free people, can't be free, financially free. If you disagree with me, that's fine. I don't give a about that. But I would advise to educate yourself. Okay. Yeah. Let's just go here. I'm just having some issues. Okay, so yeah, Crypto City, the ultimate guide to Miami. What the ultimate? I don't know what that's about. Bitcoin wipes $15 billion from market cap in 10 minutes as US inflation data runs hot. Why didn't those people know that the inflation data was going to be even worse? Why? Because obviously, because I knew, just so that my listeners and watchers, subscribers and non-subscribers, please subscribe, know this. I knew this was coming before it was announced. Why? Because because I make sure that I'm properly educated, properly informed, and I have a network that I've built for myself that informs me educates me on these matters. Okay, so holding pattern. Let's see. Release. Yeah, interesting. So if the inflation data is going to get worse, it's going to hammer the crypto market, most likely. Inflation sets new 40-year high of 9.1%. Bitcoin fights to hold 19. At some point, just so that you all know, at some point, Bitcoin and then the entire crypto market as well is going to depeg. What's the word? It's not necessarily depegging. Isn't there another word? Decouple. That's the better word. That it's going to decouple from the fiat system. Okay, from the dollar and so on at some point. And that's how it's supposed to be. Okay, so CPI inflation data reached a 40-year high of 9.1% in June, with the largest price increases occurring in the energy sector, seeing fuel and oil rise. Yeah, because they don't want us. It's all about the Great Reset. Fantasy of theirs. Data from Glassnode, Bitcoin, LTHs who bought during 2017 aren't selling yet. Bitcoin daily exchange net flows shows sell-offs have not subsided. It's idiots who are selling Bitcoin now. You should be buying Bitcoin, not financial advice, just my opinion. Solana retraced below $38. Is there a chance for a comeback? Yeah, it will come back. Solana is a good project. It will come back. It's just being hammered by the overall conditions, global conditions, macroeconomic. With Revolution NFTs, Revuto offers lifetime access to Netflix and Spotify and reinvents how subscriptions are managed. I guess that's good. Understanding the role of NFTs in a subscription economy. Yeah, you can read this. I'll scroll down for you, and if you want to read it, you can read it on my channel. It's my pleasure. Okay. Bitcoin, Ethereum, technical analysis. ETH remains below $1,100 despite price rebounding on Wednesday. Yes, because of the incompetent inflation, data. Okay, so tactics and tips for pokies players. That's interesting, but it's not necessarily crypto. Loop ring wobbles in last 2 months. Can LRC stay in the loop? The loop ring price has entered a symmetrical triangle pattern on a daily chart in the face of continuous bearish pressure. This indicates that the bulls are retreating. Yeah, it's a bear market. Over $200 million liquidated on Bitcoin turbulence. A CPI for June at 9.1%. Bitcoin went up and down by around $1,000 in hours following the latest US CPI data. Let me check quickly what the current Bitcoin price is. Current Bitcoin price is, as it's, well, my time zone will not necessarily be the same as your time zone, but it doesn't matter too much. As I'm recording this video, it's 19,465 US dollars for one Bitcoin. Okay, cool. What are the advantages of online casino? Okay, let's read that quick. Online casinos have several advantages over their physical counterparts. The fact that they are always just a click away is the most important component. However, there are several other advantages of the top Canadian casino online. Okay, anyway. Gorilix gains traction as Polygon and Binance's BNB stand firm. I don't know what Gorilix is. Silver coin. You can read that. NFT volume sees yearly low in June, but first-time buyers remain consistent. Yeah, it makes sense. Nonsense NFT analysis draws into focus the numbers behind the market's first bearish cycle. First bearish cycle for NFTs, because NFT is quite young. I think they started in 2021 mostly. 2020 was the DeFi year, and 2021 the NFT year, especially, and so on. And 2022 the bear market year so far, and regulations, corrupt regulators. SEC delays decision on ARC21 share spot Bitcoin ETF. Obviously, they are so shit scared of crypto and Bitcoin, because they can't control it. The governments and authorities and regulators cannot control Bitcoin and a big part of the decentralized crypto space. And if most people on Earth, most humans, start using it, then bye-bye to the global financial banking system. Bye-bye. It goes extinct overnight. As simple as that. So they're dead scared, and this is their attempts to prevent that from happening and prevent their control from diminishing and disappearing. The Securities and Exchange Commission has delayed making a decision on ARC21 shares. There's no logical, valid reason for them to do this. This is pure corruption, not even incompetence, pure corruption. They just want to maintain control. Spot B2 delayed making a decision on ARC21 shares. Spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund application adopting the same playbook they used before, rejecting Grayscale's last month. Well, the SEC is potentially going to get a class action lawsuit against them. Otherwise, just a lot of these huge companies, and the SEC doesn't stand a chance of winning. So maybe they're just playing the delay tactics here so that they can launch their central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, and start forcing people to use that. Remember, do your own research, educate yourselves. CBDCs are going to replace bank accounts. Okay, the accounts that you currently have with your banks, those are going to be replaced by CBDCs. So your country's central bank is at some point going to launch, guaranteed in the future, their own CBDC. Each country will have their own CBDC, okay? And then all citizens will be pretty much forced to have accounts with the central bank, and the currency that will be paid into your account will be CBDCs, okay? So that's what they want. They don't want you guys to use crypto. They really don't want you to use crypto. Because they cannot control crypto. They can control centralized CBDCs. Okay. Art blue chip NFTs drive Q2 NFT market growth. That's interesting. Again, that happens. Let me just fix this quick. Don't know why it's happening. Okay. DAO platform startup drums up 46 investors in pre-seed round. Decentralized autonomous organization platform startup. Interesting. I just need to make a note for myself here. Yeah, let me just make a note for myself. Okay, so NFT volume sees yearly low in June, but first-time buyers remain consistent. Okay. Art, blue chip. Have I done this one before? Let me just double check. Art, blue chip NFTs drive Q2 NFT market growth. Sorry, I just lost my place earlier. Okay. US bankruptcy judge freezes crypto hedge fund 3 Arrows Capital's assets. Okay. Don't want to go into that. BTC USD bears control short-term risk climate. Sallyho's technical analysis. So the bears. Yeah, but it's also short sellings or what? Negative bias worsening. Sallyho's technical analysis. Reversal continues. Reversal continues to elude traders. Yeah, because they don't know what's happening. Okay, well, sorry. Okay, so to elude traders. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, just be patient, but also educate yourselves so that you know what's actually happening. BTC USD peaks above 22,000 in ongoing rebound. When was this? This is old news. Okay, so I need to fix this. Sorry. This is from the 9th of July. Okay, so today is the 13th. Yeah, let me double check. Today is the 13th, yes. Alright. Whereabouts of 3 Arrows Capital founders unknown, officials abandoned. Offices abandoned. Interesting. Playboy Mansion coming to Metaverse via the Sandbox. Should be pretty cool to check it out. Wonder how is it going to work? What's it going to be like? Very, very cool. Very cool. I would say, yeah, I would check that out. Okay, GameStop launches NFT marketplace. Pretty cool. BigPay to offer crypto services to 65 million Brazilians. Good. Payment services probably. Inflation crosses 9%. Yep, as I've said. Inflation, this is crypto related because it very much affects crypto. Inflation at the moment. Inflation rose in June to 9.1%, with energy accounting for as much as half of it, increasing by more than that at any time since 1980. So, yeah. Anyway, with DeFi now in bear market territory, these projects are building for the next bull run. Which projects? Let me read this. Crypto investors have endured a rough ride over the past few months. Yeah, it's currently been so far the worst bear market ever, at least in the crypto space, with liquidity and value bleeding from virtually every project in the space. It came as a nasty shock. Yeah. And just so that you guys know, it's not because of crypto space. It's mostly because of external factors outside of the crypto space, macroeconomic as well as intentional attacks on the crypto space to drive it down. Okay? Entities, institutions, and so on, and groups of people who don't want the crypto space and Bitcoin to become too powerful. Reality used by too many people and accepted by too many people. Reality cards giving a new meaning to decentralized prediction markets with NFTs. Reality cards is bringing non-fungible tokens to the decentralized prediction market ecosystem, giving users a never-before-seen betting experience. Okay. Why the gaming economy should be decentralized through NFT technology. The gaming market has gained significant momentum within the past 2 years as the COVID pandemic forced the world to stay indoors. According to the projections by Fortune Business Insights, this industry is expected to grow at a 13.2% to hit $500 billion by 2028. It's good. Animoca Brands clinches $5.5 billion valuation after latest funding round. You can read that. Ripple and NFT Pro collaborate to bring Ducati NFTs to life using XRP Ledger. Ripple, wow. On Tuesday, July the 12th, fintech firm Ripple announced that it was excited to partner with Ducati Motor Holding, the motorcycle manufacturing division of Italian company Ducati, and NFT Pro to launch Web3 initiatives and bring Ducati NFTs to life using the XRP Ledger. This is so awesome. Chicago-based brokerage firm M1 Finance to render crypto trading services. NFL expands ticket stub NFTs to over 100 games for 2022 season. Brilliant. The league will offer free flow-based collectives. Flow is a blockchain based collectives for nearly 5 times as many regular season games as its NFT ambitious grow. UK lawmakers start inquiry into crypto use. A parliamentary committee has started an inquiry into the risks and opportunities in the use of crypto and a necessary response from the government and regulatory bodies. Okay, so did that. From fringe tech to mainstream adoption, CESS discusses the rise, current opportunities, and the future of Web3. Okay. Breaking. BlockFi CEO describes latest move the best possible outcome of what? After undergoing an agreement with Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX to resolve liquidity woes, BlockFi says the recent move was needed anyway. Last month, FTX offered the company a revolving credit facility of $400 million. Okay. Yeah, so BTC USD back to $20,000 after bearish stops gobbled. Sally Ho's technical analysis. Bitcoin can now be bought at over 175,000 ATMs as Hyosung America adds crypto functionality. Binance burns 444 million in BNB tokens. A quarterly auto burn token event, taking roughly 440 million worth of BNB out of circulation. So that should drive up the price a little bit potentially. How far am I from the top? Okay, that's good. This is the long version of my daily news. Bitcoin will reach all-time high in next 24 months. Yeah. I fully support this idea, this prediction. Okay. Bitcoin may have seen the worst of this bear market, with the main cryptocurrency plummeting about 70% from its all-time high in November 21. I don't think it's seen the worst. However, industry experts remain hopeful and see a price recovery for the cryptocurrency market in the near future. Bitcoin could see more red, yes, on the charts, but CoinShares Chief Strategy Officer Malcolm Demirors has faith in the crypto, as do many crypto analysts. She predicted that BTC will reach new all-time highs within the next 2 years. Yes, I fully support that idea. I think it will, as well as the entire crypto market, except for some shitcoins that will die. According to research conducted by the blockchain and analytics startup Glassnode, as the debilitating bear market grinds on, an increasing number of investors are selling their holdings and notching historic realized losses. Yeah. Okay, you can read that. I will. The pain will soon be gone. I don't think so. But let's read this. However, D. Mirrors added that there is solid support at $20,000, and that she did not anticipate Bitcoin to sink below $40,000. I think it will. My opinion is it will. She expects that by 2024, the misery will be a distant memory. Yes, I fully support that idea. If the CoinShares CSO forecast materializes, it would be fantastic news for long-term investors who have been mired in a depressed market over the past 6 months. Considering that the Mirrors believes the price recovery may take some time and less successful cryptocurrencies ventures may be in for more beating. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yeah, I think it will drop below this at some point in the next weeks or months. Okay? Just so that you heads up for those. Not financial advice, it's my opinion. Bitcoin and Ether see major price swings following a US inflation report. Covered that. Don't miss out on a chance to do your own research. Don't fall for attention-grabbing headlines like that. Syrian refugee turned civil activist found calling a blockchain evangelist. Yale graduate student Karam Alkam created the ZFi Foundation to educate future crypto users and address problems facing Syria and Iraq. That's cool. Cardano price analysis. ADA crashes by 7% and loses a critical support. What's next? Oh, well, I hope it goes lower so that I could accumulate more. Top 3 metaverse crypto coins below $14 million market cap to watch in top 3, which I need to make a list, a note for myself so that I can check this out. With the latest release of CPI, inflation is rising, crypto markets continue to face mounting pressure, bearish pressure, while some traders might take the short-term sell-off as negative news. For long-term investors, the decreasing prices for digital assets spell an increase in opportunity to invest. Okay, educate yourself. See, Ethereum. Let's go here. I just think what happened there was the same. I'll just do this. Okay. Uniswap reports phishing scam as Uni records 10% profit in 7 days. If Ethereum falls below $1,000, here's the next support. Oh, please fall to 500 or even 400. Please, please. Social. What's happening here? Okay, let me just. This is kind of annoying, but anyway. Draw this a little bit further down. And do this. Celsius engaged in unregistered securities offering. Yeah, that's the ones that went to the top earlier when I started my video for today. Coinbureau says DeFi making comeback as Uniswap, Aave, Thorchain, and 2 additional altcoins overperform. A popular crypto analyst is highlighting a handful of crypto projects as one niche defies the overall market downtrend. In a YouTube update, pseudonymous Coinbureau host Guy tells his 2.08 million subscribers that decentralized finance is making an impressive comeback. It will, I'm just not too sure, and he does thorough research. I like his channel, but yeah, macroeconomic factors might delay this impressive comeback. Inflation surges as yeah. Bitcoin, altcoins, and overall markets tumbles down as inflation hits 40-year high. Yep, expected that. What are the different? That's why I was shorting. What was I shorting? I was shorting some coin yesterday because I knew this was going to happen. Okay, what are the different types of Bitcoin nodes? How the Bitcoin network is maintained? Yeah. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson mocks Chinese banking crisis with ironic statement. Cardano founder points out irony of traditional finance amid China's ongoing protests. Yep, good. Aave price analysis inverted flag pattern foretells upcoming sell-off. Yeah. This could be. Just remember, 99% of the altcoins are following Bitcoin in terms of price movements, market movements. Let me not market movements. Okay. Still, Bitcoin is still the Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Yes. Bitcoin is still the big brother of the crypto space. So most other coins, alts, will still follow the market movements of try and mirror the market movements of Bitcoin. Not exactly, but yeah. Okay, so this makes sense. Same applies to Aave. So if Aave's price has been rising, has been inverted flag pattern, then I'm not saying it is the case, but chances are, if you look at the Bitcoin chart, where they saw this flag pattern on Aave, you might see a similar pattern, okay? Which, if that's the case, it means that the reason why Aave has that pattern is because of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has it, or a similar one, okay? It's not, I might be wrong on this, okay? So do your own research, it's my opinion, but yes. Upcoming sell-off. The current bear cycle within this pattern has plummeted the coin price to that price. Yeah, a possible breakdown from that line might be on the horizon. Missing 3AC founder resurfaces with Twitter outburst. Panicking, probably. Bitcoin can now be bought at over. Yes, we did that. What decentralized Blockwork? Yeah, the Blockworks exclusive. The company has a number of high-profile backers from both traditional finance and crypto. The post-DAO platform startup drums up 46 investors. So Blockworks. Interesting. Polygon token Polydoge can now be used to shop on Amazon and Walmart. Huobi price analysis reversal from that support level aims 8% jump. Okay, once again, probably mirroring Bitcoin's market movements in a certain degree. Okay, not exactly. Brewing emerging market debt crisis. Anyway, okay, let's just move on to this one. I'll do about 10 here, and on the next one 10 there as well. So let's start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Okay. Fintech ideas bring blockchain functionality to its range of platforms. Okay, so it's software developer, fintech ideas. Okay, you can read that. Women could help drive Bitcoin to $250,000, says Tim Draper. Crypto continues to see greater adoption for shopping. Well, one of the use cases. With a major shift likely to come after the latest market downturn, some of the upside impetus could actually be triggered from a group of market participants not currently a big part of the space: women. Survey reports have shown that women currently make up only a small percentage of investors in crypto. Okay. So what happens if the crypto space saw increased adoption by women? According to venture capitalist Tim Draper, it would catalyze crypto's next bull run. Just that alone. Bitcoin could blow right through 250k just due to that reason, that factor alone. Affin's Generation Zero NFT collection sells out in 100 seconds. Wow, bots, a lot of bots that were involved there probably. Newpen signed strategic partnership with Cube Entertainment. No idea what that is. Angle Protocol partners with Plenty to bring AG Euro to the Tezos ecosystem. Agriculture something, isn't it? Not too sure what it is. What's AG? Okay. Umita World announces new website and app launch. What is Umita World? The first ever social media metaverse. I should check this out myself. So let me make another note. Okay, delegated proof of stake blockchain accumulate ACME releases governance this documentation. Okay, you can read some of that if you want. We've done that. Flippo and Tocal make NFT rights legally enforceable in the real world, leveraging Komodo technology. A long-standing problem confronting the blockchain world and NFT owners is a distinct lack of contextual clarity and legal rights and enforcement of digital asset transactions. Today, Vlepo and Tocal have successfully conducted a breakthrough digital procedure that will pave the way for the blockchain industry and NFT owners to establish and enable their legal rights embodied in the NFTs and digital transactions to be made legally enforceable in the courts of law around the world. In June 2022, Flippo developed a blockchain contract management system, CMS, that enables NFT owners to create the digital contracts by embedding their NFTs on-chain on-chain ID directly into the blockchain record of the same digital contract. I don't think that's revolutionary, but cool, good. MLB All-Star and New York Yankee pitcher Nestor Cortes releasing personal NFT collection on a reserve block RBX network. This is going to become more and more sports stars doing this. Okay, start here. Update quickly. Just waiting for it to finish updating. Okay. Ambire DeFi wallet integrates Moonbeam as first parachain supported. Ambire providers of an integrated wallet offering a single interface to utilize popular DeFi apps. Announced today it has added support for the Moonbeam network. It's good. Just a sec. ETH wallet MEW enhances its crypto fiat gateway with MoonPay. I need to check this out. This is very interesting. Happy they're doing that. Mew, MyEther wallet, a platform to access the Ethereum ecosystem, today announced the integration of MoonPay, a crypto payments infrastructure company. That's good news. Miko integrates ZK Proof DID wallet and token tooling on Hedera for ESG markets. Miko, a provider of data privacy and digital identity solutions, today announced the launch of its zero-knowledge proof, decentralized identifier and token visualization. Okay. Alpha of EIP 4337 standard crypto wallet StackUp now available. StackUp, a smart crypto wallet created by a team of crypto evangelists and technology veterans, is now available in its alpha version. I want to check this out for myself once again. Near blockchain built Sender wallet closes seat from Binance Labs MetaWeb Ventures. Sender wallet. Browser wallet. Okay. Near protocol. Decred blockchain introduces new cross-chain SPV based wallet. The blockchain-based cryptocurrency with a strong Decred DCR with a strong focus on community input today announced the launch of Go DCR, a cross-platform GUI wallet built using Golang. Liminal raises 4.7 million in seed round to grow cross-chain automated wallet infrastructure. Okay, good. Crypto wallet BitKeep to integrate decentralized derivatives exchange. Syn futures. Decentralized Syn futures. So Syn futures, a crypto-based decentralized derivatives exchange, has announced supporting over 50 blockchains. I want to check this out as well. Anything decentralized is grabs my attention. Crypto services Abra launches support for ETH2 staking. Let me just attend to the puppy. Okay, crypto services app Abra launches support for ETH2 staking. Today, the team of cryptocurrency services application Abra, the team of cryptocurrency AR, confirmed it now supports ETH2 staking with Ethereum's transition to proof of stake, which is an awesome thing. So Dash Wallet app rolls out new fractional masternode staking feature with CrowdNode. Dash Core Group, the organization behind leading cryptocurrency Dash privacy coin, by the way, announced today that's why MoonPay has removed Dash, and they've removed all the privacy coins that they catered for. MoonPay, yeah, and announced today that it not a good thing. Announced today that it has begun to roll out a new addition to the official Dash wallet. Okay, I just want to make that for myself as well. So MoonPay fiat to crypto on-ramp. MoonPay removed privacy coins due to pressure from regulators, corrupt regulators. It's our human right. And no one can argue against this. What I'm saying now is correct, the truth. It's our human right to have access to privacy coins. Corrupt criminal regulators come and force a company like MoonPay to remove privacy coins from their list of coins that you can purchase with fiat. Okay, and they're not the only company that has been forced or under pressure or whatever, because they want to stay legal, they want to remain compliant, so they bend the knee. Anyway, let's check. So that's the top here, and then the last five. Well, the last. Just want to check this and end the long version of the daily news, which I'm hoping to make shorter than it has been today, because this was the first attempt at a long version. So this is yesterday's Kraken market report on the cryptocurrency market. So I'll do this 1, 2, and you can have a look at this yourself. Okay, and I'll end the video there for today, and thanks for watching up till now. If you have, you need a Wi-Fi for that, and please hit the bell notification and subscribe if you haven't yet, and share my channel with your network. See you in the next video.